The next step in my drawing will be laying out my grid line. The grid line basically show where are the location of my column in my drawing. So first thing I have to do is basically having a general scheme of my drawing. I know that, for example, this building that I'm gonna model in Revit is gonna be a L shape, and it has like a 48 and 32 by 32, and here is this 16. So if I want to put like some sort of a grid line in order to show where is the location of my structural elements, basically I go with the 8 by 8 span and start laying out this like a grid system into my drawing. Two things that you have to remember. First of all, when you are laying out the grid line, you have to, if it's a very like a rectangular or like some sort of a common structure, you have two sets of grid line. One is like a horizontal, the other one vertical. You can go one side, you have to go with the numeric, the other side you have to go with like a alphabetical format in order to show the location of the column. So if I want to see, for example, here, this column right here is the column 6B or B6, or this column here is going to be 7A. The second thing that you have to remember is that when you are laying out the grid line, basically those grid line it's not gonna go all over to the end side, because whenever they're crossing, that basically means that I have some sort of a column somewhere here. So I try to avoid that connection, and also I try to create it in a way that is basically covering my the building. So first thing that you have to do basically before jumping into the Revit is that you have some sort of a sense of the general dimension of your building.